there's something that really appeals to me about real estate investing as a way that sort of the common person can really increase their net worth in a way it's hard to look at other paths that have the same bang for your buck. You can go out and buy a duplex, live in one side, get owner occupied financing, an FHA loan. You can put very little money down. And if you just do a good job managing it, you could even move out, rent the side that you lived in. 5, 10 years down the road, you're going to have the better part of $1 million net worth, as long as you bought in a decent area of town and you paid down the mortgage that whole time.
Right.
That is hard to get by any other way. And so if I can help people be successful with that, there's a little part of me that's like, I get frustrated when you read about the laws around investing in, there's this concept called an accredited investor. And in order to invest in like VC deals and other kind of speculative ventures, you need to be what the IRS calls an accredited investor, which means you have $1 million net worth excluding your primary residence, or you meet some very high income threshold. I think it's like $250,000 2 years in a row or something like that. And if you don't meet those qualifications, you literally are not allowed to invest in these other areas. You have to stick to the stock market or real estate. But real estate really is kind of like the backdoor into the alternative investment world. So I love the idea of being able to help people be successful there.